Hello Year 2, this week in spellings we've been looking at the N sound. We've been looking at how the letters K and G can make the N sound. We call them silent letters. Unfortunately there isn't a rule to this, there isn't a specific spelling rule that we need to follow, we just kind of need to learn the words and remember them. We're also going to be doing a little bit of English home learning this week as well as maths, so what you can do to save you a little bit of time is you could try and apply these spellings into the sentences that you're also going to be doing with your English home learning, so that should save you a little bit of time. In English we are looking at subordinating conjunctions. So in Year 1 we learnt a lot about conjunctions and, but and so, and it is on one of our must-haves that we need to be including these in sentences a lot. But this week we've been learning how to use a subordinating conjunction, and that includes when, because, if and that. A subordinating conjunction is used to join clauses together. For example, I will go out to play if it stops raining. But it's also good for us to know that we can use a subordinating conjunction at the beginning of a sentence. So for example, if it stops raining, I will go out to play. But in this case, we need to remember to use a comma to split the clauses. It's a little bit of terminology we need to remember here. So when we're talking about a sentence is always made up with a main clause, the simple part of a sentence. So the main clause is a group of words that contain a subject, so either a noun, which is the name of something, or a pronoun, which is the proper name for something, and a verb, which is an action or a doing word. So for example, the boy ran. That is a simple sentence. Boy is the noun, ran is the action word, which is the verb. A subordinating clause doesn't make sense on its own. So if we just had the sentence, when he heard the ice cream van, it wouldn't make sense. However, if we join them together, it makes a complex sentence. The boy ran when he heard the ice cream van. So it's quite a lot for us to remember all of those fancy terminology, subordinating clause, main clause, conjunctions, but we will use them loads this year and you'll start to remember what they mean. The home learning on your home learning sheet has got lots of different activities for you to have a go at, joining some clauses together with subordinating conjunctions. Have a go at writing some of your own sentences, try and include your spellings in those sentences. And as an extra challenge, it'd be really good to see if you can try and put your subordinating conjunction at the start of a sentence, not just in the middle. But remember, if you do that, you do need to remember to use a comma. Okay? In maths, we have been doing loads of addition and subtraction. We're learning lots and lots of different methods for addition and subtraction at the moment. On Fridays, we're continuing to do number bond and addition and subtraction quizzes, just to get our brains used to doing really, really quick addition and subtraction. So if you're home learning in maths this week, I would like you to just have a go at doing lots and lots of quick addition and subtraction. So spend loads of time on Maths Shared, that's really, really good for that. I have put a few quizzes on there for you to do, but also have a go at answering the questions on the worksheet, or you can choose your own numbers, roll a dice, choose two numbers, add them together or subtract them. However you want to do it, I just want us really practicing really quick addition and subtraction. If that does mean putting a timer on to challenge yourself a bit, then please do that, because I do find that helps us get a bit quicker. If the questions that I've given you are a little bit too challenging for you, then please do simplify them, or if you think actually you know all of these and you've practiced them quite a lot and you need to challenge yourself a bit more, then maybe make the numbers a little bit harder by adding a couple of tens to the numbers. All right, good luck, have a good weekend.